Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Adobe PDF Snapshot tool to take snapshots in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is an incredibly useful feature when you need to capture specific sections of a PDF document and paste them into other applications like Word or PowerPoint, saving you time and effort in your workflow. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly, as this ensures you have access to all the features and tools available in Acrobat Pro DC. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access your PDF files and start working with the Snapshot tool. Next, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically displayed on the main screen when you first open Adobe Acrobat, showing you the documents you've worked with recently. From this list, select the file you want to take a snapshot from, click on it to open the PDF document. Give it a moment to load completely so you can see all the content clearly on your screen. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the search bar. This search bar is a powerful tool that lets you quickly access various features within Adobe Acrobat. Click on the search bar and type in Take Snapshot, then press Enter or click on the option when it appears. This will activate the Snapshot tool, changing your cursor to a crosshair, which indicates you're ready to capture content. With the Snapshot tool now active, click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangle around the specific part of the PDF you want to capture. You have complete control over the size and position of this selection, so take your time to ensure you're capturing exactly what you need. The area you select will be highlighted as you drag, making it easy to see what will be included in your snapshot. Once you've outlined the desired area, release the mouse button to capture it. When you do this, a notification may appear on your screen indicating that the snapshot has been successfully copied to your clipboard. This is an important confirmation that your selection has been captured and is ready to be pasted elsewhere. Go ahead and click OK to dismiss this notification. Now it's time to use your captured snapshot. Open the target application or document where you want to paste your snapshot. This could be Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, an image editor, or any other application that accepts image content. Make sure the application is open and ready to receive the pasted content. Finally, click in the document at the location where you want to insert the snapshot, then press Ctrl and V on your keyboard simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut will paste your captured snapshot directly into the document. The image will appear at the cursor location, and you can then resize or reposition it as needed within your document. And there you have it. You've successfully used Adobe's Snapshot tool to capture and transfer content from a PDF into another application. This feature streamlines your workflow and makes it easy to incorporate PDF content into various documents and presentations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.